Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. This channel provides basics of finite element analysis and computer-aided mechanical engineering design and analysis using CAD-related software. Let's get started.
Hello friends, today we'll model this very important component. This is known as actually driver disc. This is one of the very important part of Geneva mechanism. This will be actually working as a driving wheel for the Geneva mechanism. The actual 2D look that we see from the top plane, it will be looking like that one. So if we start this modeling, we have to start from the top plane only, right? So the top plane, it is saying that it requires two concentric circles of diameter 87 and 55.6 millimeter. Okay, let's get started. Start modeling from part. We'll be using SolidWorks software for modeling this part. So we are modeling driver disc. This is a very important mechanical component, one of the most important component of Geneva mechanism. It will be acting as a driver wheel for the Geneva mechanism. Okay. So starting from top plane, normal. And so while starting, we need to draw two center lines to get the center of the concentric circles. One center line is drawn, another will be required. Then, now first we will draw the circle of 87 millimeter diameter. Smart dimension 87 millimeter. Okay, let's see the drawing. Yeah, 87 millimeter, and extrusion depth equal to 10 millimeter. Right. So green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch and features extrude boss base. 10 millimeter depth. Done. Okay. Next, we have to top of this plane, we have to draw another circle. Select that plane, normal to. Let's draw the center lines. So the center lines plays a very important role while drawing some symmetry objects. Okay, now here in this case we have to draw one circle of radius. How much it is? Now it is 55.6 millimeter. Okay, it's 55.6 millimeter. 55.6 millimeter. Okay, done. Next one, we have to draw one arc over here, right? Okay, take from any point. Let's start from here. This is the arc. Arc radius is 45.5 millimeter. Okay, arc radius is 45.5 millimeter, and another constraint is there, that means dimension from this arc to this center point is 11.39 millimeter. So from here to the center point equal to 11.39 millimeter. 11.39 millimeter. Okay. Okay, good. Now some unwanted portion to be trimmed out, so we have to trim it out. This one, trim entities. Then, so green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch again, edit sketch. Again from here to here some distance, one cylindrical portion is required. So draw a circle. Let's see the dimension of this one, 8 millimeter, and from the center 36 millimeter. 8 millimeter, diameter is 8 millimeter. Okay, let's call it small dimension. Diameter is 8 mm. And distance from the center is 36 mm. So drawing is almost complete. So green check and exit from the sketch. Then select the sketch. And that to be extruded. Extrude boss base. And depth of extrusion should be, let's see the drawing, is 10 mm, right? Done. Okay. And very small part is remaining. You can see what it is. Down also have to move 4 mm with a diameter of 6 mm. So you can see down, select the plane, normal to. Here you have to draw one cylindrical portion. So sketch, center line, you can draw a circle. Let's provide smart dimension to that one is 6 mm diameter. Green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch, features, extrude boss base, and this extrusion depth equal to 4 mm. Done. The top surface also to do the same thing. Select the plane, normal to, sketch, draw the center lines, so circle to draw at this point. Smart dimension is only equal to 6 mm diameter. Green check and exit from the sketch. Select that sketch and that will be extruded to a length of 20 mm. Okay, this one should be extruded to a length of 20 mm. Done. So our model is ready. To have a better look, we can do a little bit of changing. That means we can change the appearance. Let's go to some metallic appearance of copper. Let's provide copper to that one. Polished copper. This is the object. Okay, this is known as driver disc. This is very important part for driving that Geneva wheel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share, and if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.